Okay guys, so this is me, your Huntrix. Charot. So, nagbihis lang kami na mabilisan at thank you Lord, natapos ni Mama ang aming outfit. Akalain mo nga naman guys, apat kami natapos ni Mama. So, we're on the way sa studio. So, magsushoot kami ng golden cover. So, abangan nyo yan. Sana panoorin nyo and sana mag-million views agad. So, para sa inyo to. So, drive muna tayo. Let's go! Hi guys, so we're here now. We're gonna shoot the okay, picture mo nga ako, madam. So, please watch our cover of Golden on our YouTube channel. Masking! I'm done hiding now. Shining.
Naayos na kasi.
So guys, ang dami nangyari today, pero thank you Lord, nandito na tayo. Nasuportahan nyo naman mga B, pinagpagulan ko yung hair ko ngayon. Wala kami nabiling violet na hair, so pagpasensyahan nyo na.
Lalo naman ako, pero at least pink yung hair ni Mira.
Ayan, si Sally.
Ako na lang ang ano.
Pero ang pinaka,
Selena?
ang pinaka, ano natin, pinaka pasasamatan, si Mama E. Grabe.
Tinapos
niya yung mga outfit namin. Pero
super
sana,
rush na to, guys.
tignan nyo. Mag-thumbs up naman kayo, be. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung mga outfit.
Super rush. Pero, grabe si Mami. Mama E.
Anyways, in English, we are sisters and we're gonna be doing a cover of Golden. We are 4 sisters from the Philippines and we love singing since we were kids, and we are so we relate so much on this song because it feels like the song
It's our story.
Is our story.
We're done hiding, guys.
Yes, and it's time to shine. So we hope you can support us. We're gonna have a concert actually on August 29. It's gonna be our first major concert at the Aratani Theater, August 29. So ito lang yung setup namin guys, camera. Pero ayan, si Ugo pa rin yung cameraman namin. So syempre kami din mag-monitor naman. Tapos meron kami si Mama and yung nagpe-play ng LED. Yeah. So guys, tapos na kami.
We're not going to the next.
Sayang naman yung upuan na hindi na lang namin, hindi pala nagamit. Kasi sabi nung nung videographer, mas maganda daw na uy guys, iniwan yung isang upuan.
Huntrix.
Mas maganda daw na nakatayo kami. So sayang naman yung upuan na dala namin. Pero buhatin na natin. You know I'm gonna be golden. I'm so hungry.
That's why we need boyfriend.
Go sell.
Because the boyfriend will do this for me.
Ay, oh my god, muntik. Oh my god, muntik na ako nadapa.